Okay, we'll proceed now to our candidate number 5 from Puro 4A, Miss Cherise Baliado Anota. How are you, candidate number 5?
I'm feeling good and amazing tonight.
Oh my God. Confident. Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Okay, kuha-kuha yung mga linya. Okay, you may now pick your question. Okay, narito ang iyong katanungan, Miss Cherise. Bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat na manalo bilang mutya ng Naputsukan 2025? Ulitin ko, bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat na manalo bilang mutya ng Naputsukan 2025?
Thank you for that question, sir. The person who deserves to win the Mutya sa Naputsukan Crown 2025 is the person who give all. She is confident, she is compassionate, and she is driven by purpose for the community. And I believe that person is me, and I thank you.
Okay! Kung gano'n, nasa kay Cherise na ang lahat. Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Cherise. Okay, we will proceed now.